The reason people disrespect you is because you keep explaining yourself to those who don't value you. Respect isn't earned through words, it's earned through silence and boundaries. The moment you stop chasing validation, you start commanding respect. Do this once and watch how people begin to treat you differently. 1. Stop explaining yourself. Never beg to be understood. Your peace doesn't need an explanation. The more you defend yourself, the more power you give them. Walk away from any argument that costs your peace. You don't owe explanations to people committed to misunderstanding you. A calm exit will speak louder than 1,000 justifications. 2. Silence commands respect. Silence is a language only the wise understand. When you stop reacting, they start questioning their behavior. Your calmness in chaos is what makes people respect you. They expect you to get angry instead. You stay still, and that shakes them. The loudest message you'll ever send is your quiet composure. 3. Walk away with dignity. When someone disrespects you, don't argue, just distance. Your absence will teach them more than your anger ever could. Never lower your energy to match someone's immaturity. Leaving with grace is the most powerful response to disrespect. Sometimes silence isn't weakness, it's wisdom, choosing dignity. 4. The psychology of self-respect. People respect consistency, not apologies. When your boundaries are clear, disrespect becomes impossible. Respect yourself enough to say, "This is not how my soul deserves to be treated." You teach people how to treat you by what you tolerate. The less you react, the more control you gain. 5. The power of calm detachment. You can't make everyone respect you, but you can make disrespect irrelevant. Don't explain, don't chase, don't argue, just let them wonder. A calm mind and strong boundaries are the ultimate power combo. Respect flows naturally toward those who don't demand it. When you stop proving your worth, you start attracting those who already see it. The more silent you become, the more others will feel your strength. Don't fight to be respected. Become someone whose energy demands it. Your silence is your crown. Wear it when the world tries to provoke you. Do this once, value yourself enough to walk away, and watch who follows. True respect isn't requested, it's reflected. The next time someone disrespects you, don't explain, don't argue, just rise in silence. If this message spoke to your soul, remember, healing begins with self-respect. Subscribe to Mindful Ways and let your calmness become your superpower.